Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So dalam video kali ini saya akan tunjukkan cara untuk menghasilkan setup sheet report untuk diletakkan sebagai lampiran dalam project report. Okay, setiap kumpulan. Jadi kita akan gunakan file practice 4 yang kita buat pada minggu lepas. So you can just file, you can go to file and open practice 4 file. This is the one that we use engraving. Okay, we have all other contour, we have drilling. Okay, so first let's make some revision on looking at the cycle time, the total cycle time of all the operations. So we have 9 operations overall, including all the contour, drilling, engraving. So first we need to select all operation and then go to backplot selected operation. Then we can expand if it's not expanded, so you can click this button, expand it like this, and you can go to info and you look at the time. The feed rate is 44 minutes and the total is 44 minutes plus the rapid movement only 40 seconds. So kalau awak tak masukkan nilai feed rate, nilai spinner speed yang sebenar lagi, okay, maka mungkin feed rate yang terhasil ni mungkin terlalu panjang. Jadi para pelajar perlu melihat semulalah pada setting nilai yang diletakkan kepada feed rate dan sebagainya. Okay, so then if we are fine with all the setup, okay, we can also select all. Then we can go to post selected operation to look into the G codes file. Okay, as usual, this one we have done previously. So just save as NC file. Just click OK. Okay. The Mastercam software are going to open a window to save as. So you can put the name for your file and .nc file. So you can open this NC file using any text editor actually. Okay, so dia akan buka satu window lain, Mastercam X Editor, where you can edit your G code if you find any abnormalities in your code. So basically this is the code generated based on your setup in the Mastercam. Okay, dalam practice 4 tadi kita gunakan 7 tools. Okay, kita define, kita rename balik nombor dia, and then kita bermula dengan operation nombor 1, mulakan tools number 1 sampai operation yang terakhir. Jadi kita boleh save lah file ni dan masukkan sebagai attachment dalam report. Okay, boleh susun dalam satu kolom atau 2 kolom, bergantung macam mana awak nak tunjukkan dalam report tu lah. Okay, next. So how to generate the setup sheet report? Okay, so sekali lagi kita kena pastikan kita select all operation. Okay, dan kita pergi ke machine group 1. Okay, dan kita pergi ke setup sheet. Okay, setup sheet. Okay, in here there will it will appear a window, setup sheet window. So you can name the project. This is a practice 4. So you should name your project based on the name of the parts that you create. Katakan awak guna gear, dan namakanlah dia gear, H3 dan sebagainya. Customer, in real life you should write the customer's name. Okay, which company asked you to do this drawing and so on. So for the project, just write your group number. So let's say group 1. The programmer, you can put the group member who responsible to complete this program. Say Abi. Drawing, maybe Abu. Okay, this is revision, I don't know, revision number 1. You can also write the name, the person in charge for revision, maybe Ahmad. Okay, note, you can just leave it blank. Isometry relative to operation WCS, just click this image, use color, and then click OK. So basically it will generate a report sheet, a setup sheet report for all operation. Okay, each operation will include the parameters, okay, the drawing, the chain, and so on. So we are going to look at the file generated afterwards. Okay, keluar dah tadi, tak pasal. Okay, so this is the report viewer. So as you can see, it will display the Mastercam X version, the setup sheet report. Okay, based on the information that you enter in the setup sheet window. Okay, the file, okay, the drawings for all the all the drawings, isometric. And then we have the first one, the stock. Okay, so make sure the stock size is correctly set to 100 125 100 times 100 times 25. And then okay, we can look at one by one of the operation. Okay, kita tengok operation yang pertama. The first operation is contour 2D. Okay, then kita tengok berapa masa yang diperlukan, 12 minit. Okay, spindle speed, feed rate as shown as what you have set in the Mastercam. Tool info, we are using tool number 1, 18mm. Okay, this end mill 1 flat, diameter 18, and then we have the time 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes sama cakap atas 12 minutes. So this is the tool path of the contour. Okay, the tool itself. Okay, so the same for the rest. Okay, the second operation, remachining. The third one, 1 minute. Okay, counter bore 1 minute. Okay, using a center drill, and then pack drill using a normal drill, and then we have counter bore using flat end mill. Okay, and then another 1 minute for contour engraving for the words group 1. Okay, using only 1mm end mill to ball end mill. Okay, and the rest okay until the end. That's it. So you can save this file okay as a PDF. Okay, then you can attach in your report. Okay, attach in your report, combine with your report at the end of your project report. Okay, so just save as PDF, and the rest is as usual. So that's it for this video. Okay, itu saja. So boleh gunakan kaedah ini untuk masukkan sebagai lampiran. Dan lampiran ni wajib diletakkan dalam project report. Okey, itu saja. Assalamualaikum.